Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be reinstalling this frontal wig that I got from TikTok shop. You guys, this wig is perfect for the summer. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications so you never miss a single video.
Another banger. Make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a G for the bong bong bong, your body kakara, make a bong 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 on the make it.
I'm about to push all the hair going to the back so I can start working on this lace. That is way easier. I'm using Erica J lace glue. This is the skin guard. The skin guard will protect your skin while applying that lace, so you want to let it air dry also. Erica J Hold Me Down is the only lace glue that I use, you guys. When you apply it, you want to use thin layers, so I'm going to add big dots around my forehead just to see where I want it at. I'm going to spread the lace glue. When you spread it, make sure each spreading is literally thin so it can dry clear and have your lace being laid. This lace glue dries very quickly. You will know that it's going to dry quick as long as you have thin layers, you guys. I do 3 to 4 layers of this glue. I don't blow dry it. I just let it air dry. I'm on the last layer and I'm just going to put the glue straight across, but make sure it's thin layers, of course, because you don't want all white inside your lace at all, because that's not gonna look good at all. You see how I'm spreading it out thin? One side is so thick, you don't want your lace to be looking like that. So you want to keep spreading that until it gets very, very thin. Once it's thin, now you're going to literally wait until it gets clear. Now that the lace is clear, you want to apply the lace in sections, which is very easy. Now I'm taking my comb and pushing the lace into your skin in sections. Once you do that, it's going to be a lot more easier, but do it slow. Do not rush this process, because this process right here is way more important. You want your lace to be laid instead of lifting. As you can see, there's a piece of hair and that's very annoying. I'm going to literally comb all of that hair out of the way. Now that your lace is laid, you want to cut off any extra lace. This is a wig reinstall. Wig reinstalls is a lot more harder, especially if you're using lace glue. So cut off any extra lace and then push that lace into your skin. This is very important. Blow dry it on cold setting, because if you blow dry it on hot setting with lace glue, your lace is going to literally be back white. And as you can see, my wig is stuck. It do not move. It is holding you down, just like I like it. And it's great for sensitive skin people like me. It's not going to irritate your skin at all. Use Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation level 12 on the lace just to blend in. Brush all the hair out of the lace before you actually lay that lace down with a melting band. And as y'all can see, where is the lace? This wig is giving brand new. Stop throwing away your wigs and learn how to install your wig. Where is the lace? The lace, you can't even see it before you even add melting spray. I'm using the Frontal Queen melting spray. Apply it down. This is a double melt, and as y'all can see, you can't even see the lace. The lace literally disappeared. Like, where is it? You cannot see this lace, but you still want to blow dry everything on cold setting. no hot when you're using lace glue, and then put your melting band on. I'm gonna keep it on for like 15 to 20 minutes. If your lace is not giving scalp after that melting band, you literally did it all wrong. Redo it. I'm not playing with y'all. Look at that lace, you guys. Take your wax stick, and while you do this slow so you can get every little piece of hair, because you need your hair to be slick and lay down flat. Take your hot comb now, and when you hot comb, do it super slow so your wig can be flat.
Caught a shorty off a Reinstall. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I'll miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right at the guy. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside and
This is the final results, you guys. This wig, it's been 2 years old. Look at the curls. Hairline still T, you guys. Lace was still easy to melt, you guys. You do get some shedding out of this wig, you guys. Barely any tangles in this wig. I love the curl pattern. It's kinky curly. This is 32 inches long, you guys. And I can't believe that this wig is still giving brand new, fresh out of the box when it is 2 years old.